Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to delete screenshot in Time Doctor. Okay, so if I come here, I click on screencast, it will actually open up in my browser all the screenshots they have. So here for this user right here, we have different users. You can click and choose the other one if you want, but this is the user I'm using. So if you want to delete this, first you can go ahead and click on select all if you have multiple. That will select all of them and it reveals a trash can icon. And you can delete the selected screencast, okay? Basically the screenshot. Or you can click a specific one. You can see the time as well. You can see what the screenshot is. And you can just click on this delete icon, the trash can icon. And then it'll ask you if you are sure because you cannot undo this, okay? And when you do delete these, it removes the work as well that was allocated with that screenshot. So if you're okay with that, click on yes. And there you go. It has been deleted. And that is how to delete a screenshot in Time Doctor.